In this video I'm gonna show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Tecno Spark 10 Pro. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Edge. Click search and now click install. Now you can click open. And here you can click skip introduction. Now you can customize your homepage, but you can just click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Now you can make your Microsoft Edge your default browser, but you can just click not now. Now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now your Microsoft Edge is set up. Now it just asks you if you want to import your data from Google, but you can just click not now. And now you can choose to make notifications easier, but you can just click no thanks. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.